The 2025 Buick Regal is back, and it's got more confidence, character, and charisma than ever before. Welcome back to Drive Trend, where we take you beyond the specs and into the real pulse of the automotive world. Today, we're diving into what makes the new Regal a refreshing presence in the midsize segment, especially for those who crave refinement without shouting about it. At first glance, the 2025 Regal maintains its signature blend of sport and sophistication. Buick has always walked the line between luxury and practicality, and this year's Regal is no exception. Its design language has evolved. It's sleeker, sharper, and unmistakably more European, an intentional move, considering the platform shares DNA with Opel's latest models. From the front, the LED signature lighting cuts a bold first impression, flanking a more angular grille that brings a mature, aggressive attitude. The body lines are clean but defined, running the length of the car with subtle sculpting that adds a sense of motion, even when parked. Buick's Tri-Shield logo has also been modernized, adding to the car's fresh appeal. Under the hood, the Regal continues with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, but now it delivers a more refined punch, around 260 horsepower paired with a responsive 9-speed automatic transmission. There's also a mild hybrid variant, which is new for 2025, offering improved fuel efficiency without compromising on the Regal's smooth driving character. For enthusiasts, the GS trim returns, and it's sharper than ever. With an upgraded twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, adaptive dampers, and a performance-tuned suspension, the GS gives drivers an agile, confident ride. It's not a full-blown sports sedan, but it doesn't pretend to be. It's all about poised handling and balanced performance. Inside, the cabin tells a story of subtle luxury. Buick has upped the ante with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout. The 2025 Regal features a fully digital 11.8-inch instrument cluster paired with a new 12.3-inch infotainment screen, running the latest version of Buick's infotainment system with Google built-in. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, of course, and the system responds with the kind of speed and clarity that's expected in 2025. Comfort remains a priority. The seats are wide, supportive, and offer available massage functions in higher trims. Noise insulation has been enhanced thanks to Buick's quiet tuning technology, making the Regal's interior one of the calmest spaces in its class. Whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising on the open highway, the cabin isolates road and wind noise like a pro. Buick's safety suite gets a serious update as well. Standard features now include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. There's also a new driver attention monitoring system that uses a small infrared camera to detect signs of fatigue or distraction, subtle, smart, and completely unobtrusive. Rear seat space remains generous, with enough legroom and headroom for adult passengers. The liftback design also returns, offering a unique blend of sedan style and hatchback practicality. Fold down the rear seats, and the Regal becomes a surprisingly capable cargo hauler, making it ideal for road trips or urban runs alike. Where does the 2025 Buick Regal stand in today's market? In many ways, it's a sleeper hit. While the world has turned its eyes to SUVs and crossovers, the Regal quietly continues to evolve into a premium midsize alternative for buyers who still value the dynamics and elegance of a true car. It's not about flash with the Regal, it's about feeling good behind the wheel, being surrounded by thoughtful technology, and driving something that blends tradition with progress. Buick hasn't just updated the Regal, they've refined it for a new era. And that's exactly why the 2025 Buick Regal deserves a second look, maybe even a test drive. It's not trying to be the loudest in the room, but it might just be the most confident. A car that knows what it is, and doesn't need to apologize for it. Thanks for watching Drive Trend. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Buick Regal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a deep dive into the latest in automotive innovation. More reviews, more insights, and more trends, only here, on Drive Trend.